Welcome to my channel Technical Arquen. Today's topic Carnot map. So go for it. Today we will start example of Carnot map. Okay, so let's start. Now we take an example for two variables. Okay, the function have the two variables x comma y, and there is a mean term is given, position is m1 and m3. So don't need to write the m, just given 1 comma 3. So first we draw the Carnot map for these two variables. So this is x, this is y. So value for x is 0, 1, y also 0 and 1. And we already discussed this two variable Carnot map where the first cell means it is m0, this one is a m1, this is an m2 and this is an m3. So they are given 1 and 3. So 0, 1. So this is a 1 and 2, 3. So this is a 3. And we know this is a mean term. So that's why we are given 1, because in mean term the variable is normal at the value of 1. Okay. So after that we are doing the grouping or clubbing. Okay. Grouping or clubbing need to start from highest, means first try octet means 8, second try quart means 4, and then try pair means 2. Means first we try to group 8 1 in a single group. If it's not possible, then go for quart, means 4 1 in a group. Okay, or then we try for pair, means 2 1 in a group. Okay, and what will be the group implementation rules? I am already discussed in my previous session. Okay, so for that case what happened, we can group that. Why? Because the adjacent cell contain the 1 and this is in a vertically. So what happened, we group these two 1 in a single, as a single group. Okay, now we are form a single group on that case. Okay, now we simplify that. So when we simplify from this Carnot map, what will be the result? The result, first think about the value of x. So what happened, within this two row, means x is this row the value x is 0 and this row the value of x is 1. That means between this two row and between this box x value is changed from 0 to 1, means bit is changed from 0 to 1. If the bit is changed, then we never take that variable within a term or within a result. Okay, so x is not taken. Why? Because x value is changed within this box from 0 to 1. It will change because within this box the value is 0 at start and after that it is 1. So between that the value is changes. So don't need to take this term x. Now we can take the term y. Why? Because in this vertical the y value is 1 throughout this column, means in that part also 1 and this part is also 1. So that's why we take y. Now we take only y. Why? Because for mean term, if the value is 1, then the variable will be normal. If the value is 0, then the variable will be complement. Okay, so for this Carnot map is concerned, for this function the simplification result will be just only y and it will be the result. Okay, now go for the second example. Now we take three variables. Okay, and what the position for the mean term? 0, that is a 1, next 1 position, next 2, so 0 1 2, 2 is here, is a 3, after that 4 5 6 7. Okay, so 0 1 2 4 5 6 7. Okay, now we group that. At first here the group is considered these 4, because the rule is there, as maximum as possible we form a group either in form of octet or in form of quart or in pair. So they form the quart. Okay, and also the another form, so that means this is a one group Okay, next we take this 4 also. Here the rule is that if any cell which is not used, it can be used with the used one, means this 2 1 is already from a group, but this 2 1 is not actually used. So what happen, used one can also use for unused one, we can use that. So that's why this 4 can form a group. So maximum 1 should present within a group. It is actually the rule for your grouping or clubbing in Carnot map is concerned. Okay, and the next means this is your second group, and the last I am forming this one, and means this 2 1 and this 2 1. Now this is most important part, means we think that this Carnot map can be folded. If we fold it, so what happens, this one and this one will be adjacent. So that's why this part and this part can also taken a single group. So that's why it's a third group. Now we write a result using this simplification procedure using the Carnot map. So first go for the first, we go for the first group. This is the first group. So what is the result? Now the x is throughout the box or throughout the group is constant, means not changed. So that means we take the x and is a 1, that's why it's a normal. Dot, y dot is a mean term, that's why it's a dot. Now what happened? Just see, x is changed, means between this particular row, what happened? Each and every column the value will be changed. How? Because in the first 2 column y value is constant, but what happened after the third column, the y value is changed, so y is not taken. Similar case for the z. From this first column to the second column, z value is also changed, so we never take this z also. Okay, that means y and z throughout the box is changed. That means we don't take this y and z. So the first box, the result will be x. After plus y, we go for the next box. So second box is that. So here x value is changed from 0 to 1 throughout the box, so we don't need to take the x. Now for the yz, y is 0 to 0, so y value is not changed. Should we take the y? Now it's a complement. Why? Because it's a 0 for the mean term. If the value is 0, the variable should be complement. Now z, the value is changed from 0 to 1, so don't take the z. So for this group or for this box, we get y complement plus. At the last box where we form this, here the same manner x is changed from 0 to 1, means if this box is there, so what happened, this 2 row is concerned, the x will be changed 0 to 1, but for the yz we are take only this column and this column, because this box is from 0 0 column with 1 0 column. So y value change from 0 to 1, so don't take y, but we take the z because z value is not changed, means the bit of the z is not changed from 0 to 0. So and we take z complement. Why? Because z value is 0. So after simplification it will be the result. Now this is a third example where we take 4 variables Carnot map. Okay, the position is given 0, so this is will be the 0, 1, this is a 2, 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5, 6, 7. This is a 7. Now 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So in that way we put the 1 here. Okay. After that we form the group. Okay. Same way the adjacent 1 is given in that particular position. So these 4 can taken and within a group. So it's a quart. Okay. And now the rest of the 1 is scattered, but we can form a group. How? We can think about that. Means if we think that this Carnot map can be folded row wise and column wise, then this 4 1 can be adjacent like that. Okay, that means there is a 2 group is formed. This is a first group and this is a second group. Second group means this 4 1 can form a single group. Okay, now what will be the result after simplification? So what happened, for the first group is concerned, just take for these 2 row the value of x will be changed from 0 to 1, so we don't take this value x, because if within a group the variable value is changed, so we don't take that variable value. But the value of y is not changed from 1 to 1. Okay, So we take y because the y value is not changed, and it is a normal y because the y value is 1. In min term, if the variable value is 1, the variable will be normal. Okay. Now dot, because it is a min term, means product term. Now we consider this two column where z is changed from 0 to 1. We don't take the variable z, but the w is not changed. So the value of the variable w is not changed, means the value here w is 1 and also in that column is 1. So that's why we take the w, and w will be right only the w. Why? Because the value is 1. So for 1 it's not complement, it's a normal. So y dot w for the first group. Okay. Now the second group is concerned. What happened for the second group? We think about the second group in that corner, but what happened? They are the scattered. Okay. So we think about these two row, first row and the last row. So in that case, x value from 0 to 1 changed, don't take, but y value is same, 0 to 0, and we take complement because the value is 0, that means y should be complement. And similar way, from this column to that column, z value is 0 to 1, so we don't take the z. Okay, but the value of w is same, 0 and also as 0, so we take w but in form of complement. Why? The value is 0. If in min term the variable value is 0, so we take the complement of that variable. Okay, so this will be the simplified result from the Carnot map. Now take another example where we take 4 variables. So what the position we are given? This min term is given 0, 1, 2 is a 3, after 4, 5, 6 is a 7, so 8, 9, 10 is a 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay. Now we form the group. So here we are actually form the octet because the 8 1 can form here within a group. Okay. So that's why is the first group. So we take is the first group. Okay. Now this one, these 4 ones are remaining now. So what happened? We can form, just previous example is concerned, this 4 1 with used this 4 1, because we already told if some ones are still remaining, so we can form a group with a used group. Okay, that's why these 4 can be used in that way, means this Carnot map can be folded. So after folded, what happened? This column and this column will be adjacent in that case, so this will be your second group. Okay, now if I simplify from the Carnot map, so what will be the result? From the first group, what we get? What happened? We check the x 0 to 0, its value is same, but after 0 to 1 it is change the value, so we don't take x. Now we check y value, first row to the second row the value of y is changed, so we don't take y also. Now we consider the zw. First z value from 0 to 0, yes, it remains same, so we take z and is a complement because for min term 0 will be complemented and for 1 is a normal. Now check the w value. So w value from 0 to 1 is changed. So for first group we only get one term which is z complement. Okay. Now the second group is concerned. Okay. Second group, same way, x is remain same, but the third it will change. So don't take x. Same way, the y value is changed from 0 to 1. So we don't take x and y for the second group is concerned. Now check z from 0 to 1. So we don't take z. Now check w. It will from 0 to 0. Means the value of w will remain same and it's a 0. That's why we take w complement. Okay. So after simplification we get just this result from here. Okay. Now the fifth example is concerned. We again take 2 variables. Okay. Now there's a 2 position is given. One is 0 and another is a 3. Means m0 and m3. So this is your m0. So that's why it's a 1. It's a m1, m2 and m3. Okay. Now what happened? The 1 is scattered. It's not actually adjacent. Adjacent either may be horizontal or may be vertical. Then we can form a group. If it's a diagonal adjacent, we never form a group. So the group is actually not formed here. So what will be the simplified result from there? So for this particular one is concerned, the x value is 0 and y value is 0. So 0 means complement, so x complement dot y complement plus, because it is a sum of the product. Sum of product we are forming here, okay? Actually in Carnot map, in result, we actually, when using min term, we form sum of the product, okay? So this is the first case. And for the second one is concerned, what happened? The value of x is 1 and the value of y is 1 also. So 1 means normal, so x dot y. So this is your result actually. Means this is your min term and this is your min term, and for min term is concerned, it should be sum of the product. So it is your sum of the product after solve this Carnot map. Now the sixth example we are taken. Now we are considering the max term, because Carnot map can used for min term and can use for the max term also, okay? Now we take an example for the max term. That's why is given pi, and the position will be same. I am already told in my previous session. So what happened? The same thing is going on for the max term also. This is your capital M0, capital M1, capital M2, capital M3, in that way, rest of that, okay? And here we take the 4 variables. So the position is 3. So where is the 3? 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we put 0, we already know. For the max term is concerned, the value 0, okay? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is your 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is your 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is your 15. Now you form the group. Same rule will be follow. Group formation, either the group in vertical or in horizontal, not in diagonal, and should be the adjacent, okay? Now if we simplify of the above Carnot map, so what will be the result? Now this, for particular group, x value is same from 0 to 0, but after that it will change, so we don't take x. Next, y value is 0 to 1, change, so we don't take y value. But here z value is throughout column same and w value is throughout column same, but both are 1. And in max term, what happened? If the variable value is 1, it's a complement. So z complement plus w complement. Why? Is a max term, means it a sum term, okay? So this is your final result from this particular group is concerned, okay? Now the 7th example, here using the max term, because pi 3, 7, 11, 14 and 15. So what will be the 3 position? This is 0, 1, 2, 3. This will be the 0, okay? 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be your 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this will be your 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, okay? Now we form the group. How using the group will form? Because this column, this particular 4, 0 can form in a single group, okay? And after that we are forming another group. It is this group will be formed. That means this is your first group and this is your second group, okay? Now what will be the simplified result? This will be x, y, z, w, okay? Now for this group is concerned, x is changed here 0 to 0, but after that it will change. And for the y is concerned, the y is changed from 0 to 1, okay? So for this group we don't take x and y, but here the zw will be 1, 1. So what happened? We'll take z complement plus w complement. Why? First of all, it is a max term. So max term, for if the variable value is 1, for the max term it will be complement. If the variable value is 0, it will be normal, okay? And it is a sum term, so that's why z complement plus w complement, okay? And after dot, because what happened? Now for max term we know it will be product of the sum. What? It will be product of the sum. And for this particular group, x, y value will be same. So what will be that? X is 1, that means x complement plus y complement. Why? Both value is 1, plus in these two particular column, z is 1 to 1, means z value is not changed, so it will be also z complement, but w value is changed from 1 to 0, okay? So for this simplification is concerned, using max term, the result will be that. Okay, I hope you have understood this topic. So thank you.